Hello, my dear children. With this hope that you are good at your place, let's proceed on chapter data handling. So, students, we will do firstly 9.2. Question number 1. Total number of animals in 5 villages are as follows. Village A is 80, village B 120, village C 90, village D 40, and village E 60. Prepare a pictograph of these animals using one symbol. So this, students, we will make a table and divide it into two parts. So in first column we will write the village's name, right? Like village A, village B, village C, village D, and village E. In second column we have to show the animals using a specific symbol, and village A has 80 animals, village B 120 animals. So students, for this we will use a symbol which is equal to 10 animals, because we cannot show 80 animals in a small table, so we will choose a scale. So students, there is no need to use the proper symbol of animal. You can use another symbol which is given in your book. This is cross, so you can use this symbol. And book has also give the clue one symbol is equal to 10 animals. So instead of this showing this animal, we can use the symbol cross. So here one animal is equal to 10, one symbol is equal to 10 animals. So for showing the 80, we will draw 8 symbols of animals, but you can make cross here also. And for B 120 animals are there, so we will draw 12 animals, because one animal is equal to 10 and 12 tens are 120. So in this way we will proceed the whole table, and by showing all the animals we will draw the table complete. So here we draw all the animals using one animal is equal to 10 animals. One animal symbol is equal to 10, and we can use cross here also. Okay students, now our pictograph is completed. Now we will give the answers of the following questions. So our first question is, how many symbols represent in village E? So in village E we have 60 animals. So we have to draw here 6 symbols of animals. So we will write the answer. There are 60 animals in village E. So 6 symbols represents animals of village E. Now second question, which village has the maximum number of animals? So for this we again see the pictograph, and we will observe village B has maximum animals, that is 120. So by observing the pictograph we conclude the answer is village B has 120 animals, which is the maximum number of among these villages. Now our next question is, which village has more animals, village A or village C? So again we will see the pictograph and find out the answer. So here in village A has 80 animals, and we use 8 symbols, and village C has 90 animals and we use 9 symbols to show the 90 animals. So we will conclude by this pictograph that village A has less than village C. So we will write village A has 80 animals and village C has 90 animals. Clearly village C has more animals than village A. Now students, we will do exercise 9.3, reading of bar graphs. So let's start it. So students, here the question is, the bar graph given alongside shows the amount of wheat purchased by government during the year of 1998 to 2002. So this graph shows the wheat purchased by government during these 5 years. Okay, so here so for this we have to observe the graph very carefully. Students, here this is written 1 unit length is equal to 5000 tons. 1 unit length means, if we see the graph, here one complete square is equal to the 1 unit length. So we will consider 1 unit length is equal to 5000 tons in this graph. So students, here wheat is given in 1000 tons, and in vertical line the columns is divided into 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and in horizontal side we will write the years 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001 and 2002. So in 1998 the graph is, the scale is at 15, means in 1998 government purchased 15,000 tons wheat, and in 1999 the scale is at 25, means 25,000 tons purchased wheat by government. So in the same way, in 2002 20,000 and 2001 again 20,000 ton, and 2002 30,000 tons. So this graph gives a complete information about the wheat purchased by government. So read the bar graph and write down your observation in which year was. So we have to give the answers. So our first question is, by observing we will give the answer of first question. First question is, in which year the wheat production was maximum? So by observing this graph we will see that in 2002 the wheat production is 30,000 tons. So we will write the answer, the wheat production was maximum in the year 2002. Now next question, the wheat production was minimum, and by seeing this graph we will observe in 1998 wheat purchase was 15,000. So we will write the answer as, the wheat production was minimum in the year of 1998. I hope students you will understand the concept of pictograph and reading of bar graph clearly. So keep practicing it. Thank you.